I think the first issue that we face is that we have a lot of laws. हमारे मुल्क में बहुत सारे कवानीन हैं. In fact, हमारे province में भी inundated with laws. But the implementation of such laws is very scarce.
True.
And I always start with this because that is the reality. हमारे पास we have laws, and not to go into too much detail, लेकिन we have laws regarding child education, as you said about child labor, a minimum age for that, or child abuse. We have the CRPC, which is the Criminal Procedure Code, which talks about any harm to the child physically or otherwise. And we also have the Child Trafficking Act, which is the 2018 Act, which talks about children being taken away and it's a part of the human trafficking regime. Now, what we don't have, though, is Child Beggary Act. We only have a Vagrancy Act that we sort of follow, and Save Our Children Foundation, I must commend them, and I'm very proud to be a very small part of it, because child beggars, to remove children off the street, is something that SOCF has been doing since the start.
Yes.
And these children who are here before us are children who deserve a better life, and they are being given it. And saying that, the right to education, unfortunately there are lots of mafia gangs. There are people who actually deal with kids and they child traffic, they indulge in child beggary. We are trying now to have child beggary laws against child exploitation of children in the form of beggary. And we've been trying to draft something and push it forward, and SOCF and Cheyenne have been a huge force behind such drafting. But that is something that one needs to look at, because if we go into, and if I may go into a little bit more detail.
Sure. We have time. Yes.
When you have a child beggar, we have a number called 1121, which is via the Child Protection Authority, and you're supposed to call them up, and they're supposed to pick up the handlers and the children themselves. The problem that one faces is that the children are taken, before the magistrate or the relevant judge, and the judge will then, take a nominal fee and let them go, because they can't charge the child. But how does one get to the handlers? And unless we have stringent laws, we've been successful, but not in terms of child beggary, so much more in child trafficking or abuse. And we've done numerous cases in which we have. So the system doesn't fail us, but we don't have the correct law for beggary. And that causes problems.